Hi, I'm Alvin and I want to welcome you to my client's apartment here on the Lower East Side. The goal with this project was to take this glass box in the sky and turn it into a sexy, sophisticated, and cozy dwelling for my fabulous fashionista client. Let's take a look. The drama begins right here in the entryway. It sets the tone for the home. As soon as you walk in, you see this beautiful view of New York City framed by these oversized windows. Because of the natural light, I painted these walls dark. It gives the space a sense of warmth, coziness, and a bit of drama. We also added this gilded mirror, perfect for selfies or the last look before a night out. And sometimes a great night means staying in. Let me show you where that happens. The great room is big enough for a sleek kitchen, dining room, and this cozy living room. And let me tell you, it's difficult to make a room like this feel cozy simply because you feel like you're floating above Manhattan. And while it's an uplifting view, I had to find a way to ground it, and that began with this sofa. My client wanted something that was warm and comfortable, a place that she can cozy up to watch TV or enjoy the view. But that doesn't mean it had to be boring. We brought in a bit of drama by upholstering it in black velvet. And we accessorized it with these green pillows and this Tibetan tiger pillow. And this coffee table is a solid slab of marble, custom designed from Indonesia. This nook was a natural place for the television, but we also didn't want to miss the opportunity to create a stylish vignette. It started with this concrete pattern wallpaper, which we chose as an homage to the city we love. My client collected crystals with her dad growing up, so you'll see crystals throughout the entire space, including right here. We rounded this area out with the plant. In fact, plants are essential to the design of this project. They make an appearance everywhere you turn. In the dining room, we kept things simple with this mango wood table. On one side, we added these mid-century modern genre chairs, and on the other side, we did a bench to not obstruct the view. This is a front row seat to all of the action. And for a centerpiece, of course, a crystal. Overhead, we placed this industrial style light. What I love about it is during the day, it feels like bubbles, and at night, it feels like twinkling stars in the sky. And what's a dining room without a bar cart? We turned this flex space into a home office and a gym. Traditionally speaking, not the most exciting places for design, but I wanted to change that. We painted this wall the same color as in the entryway, which is the perfect backdrop for this neon sign that says the world is yours. Plus, it's extra motivation for those morning workouts. And isn't this the perfect place for a sofa? And we chose this low profile beauty because it doesn't take up too much space. And framed by these plants and all this natural light, it's yet another great place to take a selfie. And for the focal wall, we went with this graphic black and white wallpaper. I love the sense of movement it gives the space, and we rounded it off with this gold mirror. How's this for an office? Talk about working from home in style. The vibe for the bedroom was all about peace and serenity. We repeated the color from the entryway on the wall and kept everything else neutral. Low-profile furniture like this bed allows the view to take center stage. Another defining feature of this room are all the reflective surfaces, like the dresser, the side tables, and all the sculptural mirrors. And one of my favorite features in the home is this chair. It's leather, low-profile, and oh so luscious. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my latest project. Like all great projects, it was a beautiful collaboration between designer and client, resulting in this warm and sophisticated home in the sky. So next time.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.